My name is Gianna, and today I'm super excited to be unboxing all of my Abeka books for this school year coming up, and I'm so excited. They all came in the mail yesterday. There was a huge stack on our doorstep, which is so cool, and I literally screamed when I saw it. So I have 6 boxes of books. I believe most of them are mine, except for some might be my sister's, because she got the tuition only, you know that part. It's just the test and quizzes books and the teacher books. But I got the full tuition and book because we haven't done 11th grade before. So this is all my 11th grade books, and I thought it'd be cool to do an unboxing if you guys wanted to see what I got. I know it's really exciting when I unbox it, but I don't know if it'll be exciting to you or not, but like, you guys can watch me unbox all of the books. I'm so excited. Every year it's like Christmas in June. They actually came a lot earlier this year, and I think that's because we returned our DVDs sooner than we usually do. So as soon as they got the DVDs and we were done, they sent us these. And yeah, they came in the span of 2 days. We got 1 box one day and then 5 boxes the other day. So yeah, I'm super excited to start unboxing. So let's see. This is box number 1. Abeka, yeah. Let's see what's inside. This looks like my English books. Whoa, it's so interesting. This is what I got. It is The Scarlet Letter. Oh, that's a big book. I always kind of wanted to read like Nathaniel Hawthorne, Scarlet Letter, and that's going to be one of our books we're going to be reading this year for probably a book report or something. Then I have it's a weird Handbook of Grammar and Composition. So are we done with like, no, it's grammar composition, I don't know. But that's cool. And then I got American Literature. That's a big book. And let's see, I'm just gonna open the plastic. So we got The Scarlet Letter. Oh wow. I've never seen this before. Is this our grammar book? What? That's so weird. There's no like exercises or anything. That is really weird. Wait, is there no spelling? Yeah. No, there is spelling. Wait, what? So, Handbook of Grammar Composition. I'm not sure what it's all about. I've not done 11th grade, obviously, but let's see. American Literature. What it looks like. Teacher Key to Vocabulary, Spelling, and Poetry. I love poetry. I always like memorizing the poems. So, here's my spelling. Look at the green. That's so interesting, like the colors. Then we just got the workbook for handbook. Oh, so these correspond. Like, oh, that's so weird. So like, this is the workbook for grammar, and then the grammar book you don't even like work in. That is so weird. Then we got the American Literature Classics little thingy, bob thing. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm excited, I guess. Yay! So 1 box open. It's so cool to see all my new books. And let's open box number 2. I'm opening them in the order they came. Or the order, it says like 1 of 6, 2 of 6, so that's what I'm opening them in. These are these mine or my sister's? I don't know it. Algebra 1 video manual. So these are Hebrew history, health. These are my sister's books for like the tuition and like the books. So these are like the accredited, like where you write your scores, send it to the office, the video manuals for 9th grade. I'm not gonna open those because those are hers and they're not really interesting. So big box. It is the 3rd package. So let's see what's inside. This is probably something for me. Oh, they're DVDs. I thought the DVDs would come because we returned them. Are they usually wrapped in plastic like this? Wow. This is interesting. These are my sister's DVDs. Again, look at this. They sent a Pensacola Christian College, the Bible Preserved, PCC Chapel Messages, April 1 and 2, 1996. I've never seen this. I didn't get this. I wonder why they sent this. They just wanna make you listen to it, maybe. I don't know. So mine are mixed in here too. I was like, US history, like she doesn't have US history, she just did that. But my US history's in here. I don't know, I don't really wanna open these all up, but most of these are my sister's. But yeah, DVDs, cool. That's where all the fun memories happen, guys. So, yep. This is box number 4. Oh, there's more DVDs. Woo! These are probably mostly mine. Who knows? Oh, there's some other books underneath it. I think I'll open this because, so it's the remainder of the DVDs. Remainder of the DVDs and also some textbooks. We have chemistry lessons 58 through 65. No, 58 through 114. Cool. I'm kind of excited for chemistry. It looked kind of funny, like the DVD thing. English 11, but those are like lessons, a lot of other lessons. Spanish 2. That's fun. I love Spanish. Like, it's so new and modern. I had to do it again. Physical science. That is my sister's. Here is English 9. That is also my sister's. Mr. Busey. He's awesome. Algebra 1, Miss Smith. This is like so new. I definitely do not have this. It's like shiny and everything. I love Miss Smith and algebra was fun. And then we got New Testament, lessons 1 through 85. So this is one semester. This is one of my Bible things. U.S. History 11, Mr. McBride. What's the copyright on this? 2011. That's not terrible. It's a little old, you know, a little old, but whoa, look at this, plain geometry. The colors of it is funny. There's like 3 colors, you can see that. This is Mr. Collins. Wait, what's the copyright on this one? Oh my gosh, no. Guys, plain geometry is from 2007. No, I knew it was old. I didn't know that old. That is over 10 years old. Come on. They really should update things a lot faster than they do. This needs to be updated. 2007? I was like 5 years old and now I'm watching something for 11th grade. Oh my gosh. But funny thing is, somebody told us, oh, check out our Instagram page at Abeka Video Students Community to see stuff we post about the next year. But somebody told us that they think Miss Smith, which is the Algebra 1 teacher and Algebra 2 teacher, is in Mr. Collins' class. And that would make sense because it's 2007, so you think she would probably be in there. But that is so crazy. I can't believe it's that old. Like, that is the oldest thing I've ever watched. I'm pretty sure. Well, okay, I think my history from 8th grade was like in 2008 or 7. Same, I don't know, but it's so old. United States history. This is the one that's 2011, so that's not terrible. This is my United States history book. Chemistry. This isn't a very big book. I guess we stay in depth a lot of things. Oh look, it's the periodic table of the elements. That's cool. I wonder if I have to memorize it, probably. Why are these so small? Look at it, plain geometry. It's so small and so old. Then we got grammar composition 3. This isn't mine. This is my sister. Like, they just really compiled everything together. That is weird. Then we got, so this is Spanish. Oh, the Spanish test key is different this year. It's big. We got the envelopes to return our things. We have a whole collection of these because they send 7 per student and you only need 4 in 1 year. So yeah, we have a lot. And of course, I got a Sing His Praise hymnal, which is like the 5th one we've gotten. So we're stacked up on the hymnals, guys. We don't need any more of them. And we got Jesus and His Followers, 2nd edition. This is one of the Bible things I do. And then we got life management. That's cool. Yeah. I hope this isn't super boring, guys, but if you like Abeka and you love your school, you'll like to watch me be excited over stuff. I don't know. We got, oh, so they mix it all up. I got plain geometry, algebra 1, vocabulary manual for Mosque, I don't know how to read Spanish anymore.
Alright, we got Jesus followers thing, whatever that is. I need to take my thing and put them separately for my sister's, because here's something for my sister. So I'll just put these on this side. Science in action. This is mine because it comes with it, but we have like 5 of these too, because we get them every year. I'll just get hers. And we got United States history, quizzes, chemistry quizzes. There's not many quizzes. chemistry. There's 27 quizzes in chemistry. How? There's only 40 quizzes. What? Well, that's exciting. Unless the quizzes are like longer. Vocabulary quizzes. Health, that's quizzes. Science, matter, and energy tests. Science, matter, and energy quizzes. United States history test. Algebra 1. English and literature. That's my sisters. Chemistry quiz B. Algebra 1. I'm sorry, not really these guys, but not super interesting. Plain geometry test and quizzes. Literally, the test and quizzes book is bigger than the actual textbook. Like, why is it so small? I don't understand. Yeah. Plain geometry, and we got health, and we got English and literature, and we got American literature. Design.
And we got the vocab manual. Whoa, look at that. It has, oh, this is bigger than usual. Do they look at some stuff? Look at that. Spanish 2 vocabulary. Welcome, come in, congratulations, hello, goodbye. Any news from? I haven't heard. They're kind of similar, like, they're not any harder than what I've already done. It's just more vocab, because you always need vocab. Chemistry answer key to the textbook, and we got chemistry lab manual. So I assume the chemistry lab manual is like fairly large, so I assume we're doing a lot with that. Oh, I hope I don't fail chemistry. It's gonna be so hard, I feel like. And we got American literature and the chemistry video manual. That's cool. So that is that box. We got the last box right here. We're gonna see what's inside. It's probably more textbooks. This is a big one. Okay, lots of video manuals and such. All right, we got spelling, vocabulary, and poetry 5. I can't believe we've done 5 of these already, like 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th grade. Wow. Workbook for handbook quizzes and tests. That is like confusing. There's like a workbook with a book. Like that's so weird. Not something we've done before. Got the life management quizzes and tests. Got the workbook. We got Spanish 2A. This is the second half of the year. Then we got student tests. So this is a bigger. The last test book was small and like little. I guess they changed it to bigger. Got plain geometry. Here's Spanish 2B. This is the one for the second half of the year. United States history and heritage quizzes and tests. Physical education. That's for my sister. I don't have to physical education. We got United States. We got grammar. We got Jesus and his followers. Tests and quizzes. We got plain geometry. Video student practice exercises. I can't believe this is my second to last year, Rebecca. That's just so sad. Got chemistry tests and quizzes. We got New Testament, Jesus and his followers video manual. We have Spanish 2 teacher's guide. And we got US History 11 video manual. And we got chemistry lab manual teacher edition. Got United States like book in response to the questions and stuff. Plain geometry video manual with the new logo, but this is super old. I got plain geometry video manual. Got last one is Jesus New Testament Jesus and his followers teachers thing. So there's verse quizzes, of course, content quizzes, and exams like always. So yeah, that is everything that I unboxed in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox. It's pretty fun to look at everything that's going to be happening this year. This video is like half an hour, but it's going to be cut down hopefully. Thanks for watching if you watched the whole thing. It was really fun to look at everything I've been getting or using this year. Now I'm going to work on cleaning my desk out and putting these books in because I love to have a new, fresh desk with new items in it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you are an Abeka video student, you should follow our Abeka Instagram page. It'll be right here. It is at Abeka Video Students Community. So yeah, I had a lot of fun opening all my new school books, and now I'm excited to put them on my desk and everything like that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.